I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model compatibility and gathering parts. This prevents errors later. Once done, power down the controller and detach accessories so the shell fits snugly. Next, align the strike pack to the controller rails and press until it clicks. This locks hardware for reliable contacts. Finally, connect the pack to a PC using micro USB to update firmware. You do this because firmware ensures button remapping and macros work correctly. You now configure mappings with purpose. Update firmware first because new firmware fixes latency and mapping bugs. Then, in the app, assign paddles to functions you use often: aim, crouch, jump, so you reduce thumb movement. Create macros for multi-button combos and set toggle behaviors when needed. Once you save profiles to internal memory, test each mapping in a private match. This confirms timing and prevents unexpected actions during real play. You finish by reconnecting the battery and headset, then pair the controller to the console and load your saved profile so settings apply immediately. If something goes wrong, buttons unresponsive or input lag, first reseat the pack and power cycle the controller. If that fails, reflash firmware or perform a controller reset to clear configuration conflicts. Finally, back up your working profile to a PC and keep a spare micro USB cable. This saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.